Tired of those hefty bank charges every time you swipe your card abroad? Sick of conversion rates that leave you feeling shortchanged? You're not alone. Millions are searching for smarter ways to manage their money while traveling. So, what's the secret sauce? How do you break free from these financial shackles? Let's dive into the world of YouTrip. Imagine a world where your money stretches further, where currency conversion isn't a puzzle, and where every transaction feels like a win. That's the YouTrip promise. But how do you get your hands on this magical card? That's the burning question, isn't it? First off, let's clear the air. YouTrip isn't a physical bank. It's a multi-currency wallet that comes with a card. Think of it as your passport to seamless spending. To start your YouTrip journey, you'll need a smartphone and a strong internet connection. The entire process is designed to be as smooth as possible. So, how do you actually sign up? It's easier than ordering your favorite takeout. Simply download the YouTrip app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android, so no excuses there. Once the app is on your phone, tap that shiny sign up button. You'll be greeted by a straightforward registration form. Fill in your details, name, email, mobile numbers, the usual suspects. But here's the kicker, YouTrip takes security seriously. To verify your identity, you'll need to provide a government-issued ID. Don't worry, it's a standard procedure to keep your money safe. Think of it as a digital handshake. Once you've passed the identity check, it's time to add some funds to your YouTrip wallet. You can do this directly through the app using your local bank account. It's like topping up your phone, but for your travel fund. You can choose to add funds in multiple currencies, giving you flexibility for your trips. Now, let's talk about the physical card. YouTrip offers a sleek, minimalist card that you can order directly from the app. It's linked to your digital wallet, so every transaction you make is reflected there. No more juggling receipts. But wait, there's more. YouTrip isn't just about spending, it's about smart spending. The app comes packed with features to help you manage your money. You can set spending limits, track your expenses, and even get real-time exchange rates. It's like having a personal finance guru in your pocket. So, is YouTrip worth it? That's a question only you can answer. But if you're tired of those exorbitant bank charges, if you want to maximize your travel budget, and if you appreciate convenience, then YouTrip might be your new best friend. Remember, the key to enjoying your YouTrip experience is understanding how it works. Take the time to explore the app, understand its features, and make the most of its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.